Let's look into the things we need to make this. So I'm using 100% cotton yarn. Crochet hook, I'm using 1.5mm crochet hook. Scissors, plier, the yarn needle, and 2 hook ear wires, 2 jump rings. That's it. So let's get started. We will start with a slip stitch. And chain 4. Grab the yarn and pull through the loop. 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 So we have just completed 4 chains and put a slip stitch to the first chain we have done. So insert the hook into the first chain, grab the yarn, pull through both the loops. Then we are going to start the second round. So chain 3 and make 2 more double crochets into this loop. Grab the yarn, insert the hook into the space, grab the yarn, pull through, grab the yarn, pull through 2, and grab the yarn and pull through 2. Again another double crochet. Then you have to chain 2 and work another 3 double crochets. Now again chain 2. Now again you have to do this 2 more times. So 3 double crochets and 2 chains. 3 double crochets and 2 chains, and meet me back again. Now I have completed it 2 more times. Now what you have to do is to put a slip stitch to the third chain from the start. 1, 2 and 3. This is the third chain. So insert the hook into the third chain, grab the yarn, pull through the chain and pull through the loop. So now we have completed the second round. So we are going to start the third round now. Now we need to start from the chain 2 space over here. So you have to put slip stitches twice to these 2 stitches and move the loop to there. So insert the hook into the first stitch, grab the yarn, pull through the loop, and again insert the hook into the next stitch, grab the yarn, pull through the loop. Again you can insert the hook into the chain 2 space, grab the yarn and pull through the loop. Now we have moved the loop to the chain 2 space. Now you have to chain 3 and make 2 more double crochet. Grab the yarn, insert the hook into the chain 2 space, grab the yarn and pull through. Now you have 3 loops on the hook. Grab the yarn, pull through 2, grab the yarn and pull through 2. So you have completed 1 double crochet. So we will work another double crochet to the same chain 2 space. And then chain 2. Again, to the same chain 2 space, we need to work 3 more double crochets. 1, 2, and 3. Then chain 1 and again make 3 double crochets into the next chain 2 space. 2 and 3. Then chain 2 and another 3 double crochets to the same chain 2 space. 1, 2, and 3. Now you have to do the exact same thing until the end and meet me back again. I have completed up to the last space over here. So chain 1 and you can put a slip stitch to the third chain from the start. 1, 2 and 3. This is the third chain. So put a slip stitch into that chain. Okay. Now we are going to finish up. So the final round is going to be a row of single crochets. So chain 1 and start. On each one of these double crochets you have to work a single crochet. 1 and 2. So to this chain space what you have to do is you have to work 3 single crochets. 1, 2 and 3. And to the next 3 double crochets you have to work 3 single crochets. 1, 2 and 3. Then to the chain 1 space here another 1 single crochet. Then to each one of these double crochets you have to work 3 single crochets, and to the chain space you have to work 3 single crochets. Likewise you can complete up to the end and meet me back. Now I have completed it. Now put a slip stitch to the starting point of the last row. And grab the yarn and pull through the loop, and you can cut the yarn. Now to hide this tail, take the yarn needle and insert the yarn needle into few stitches. And you can thread the yarn needle and pull it from the other side, and take your scissors and cut the extra piece of yarn. Now take your jump ring and open it up using the plier. And you can insert that into a stitch on the last round. And you can insert the hook ear wire too into the jump ring and secure that using the plier.